There is a need for authenticity and relevance in the healthcare and pharma space, so we developed a strategy that went beyond traditional promotional messaging.
We're able to use AI and digital intelligence to really find those audiences that were the high intent supporters. So we were able to target them on different channels.
Resonance is our Rosetta Stone for connecting specific creative and branding elements back to your media performance. It helps us optimize and test creative before we launch anything.
This client usually had video completion rate at 4%, but since they started using Caliber, the video completion rate is at 65% and continues to improve.
If you don't have that core understanding of all of these nuances, there is a high likelihood that marketers can get it wrong.
It's not just data, it's the customers that are going to drive your business. That's what we're trying to do. It's a customer strategy that we're building.
We are all still asking the same question, which is, what should we do next? The first thing is to diversify your strategy.
Promise of how we operate as a company, we operate in a compliant, safe manner in everything we do.